So if you will, just come on up and enjoy the food. But thank you guys again for putting this on for us, and we really appreciate your support. Thank you. I want to thank Kenny Nadeau and Brian Daly from the Guy Fieri Foundation for coming here to the Osceola County Sheriff's Office and set up today to feed our first responders. And coincidentally, today is National First Responder Day as well. So thank you guys.
We appreciate it. We're here for you guys as well too. So thank you.
Thank you
for all you do.
Thank you.